G'day guys, Joe here. We're in the Viscount for another episode of Go RV's Camping Cuisine, thanks to our friends at Thetford. Thetford make some great appliances for caravans, and I can see why Viscount have used this particular model. It fits well, we've got a cooktop, a grill and an oven. Today I'm going to make a pasta bake, a family favourite, perfect for a winter's day. So to begin, I need to get a pot of water on my Thetford stove. We're going to add a pinch of salt to our water as well. I've added the salt, now we'll just quickly run through the ingredients. So for our pot, we need some pasta. I've chosen penne pasta. We need some olive oil, pepper, some salt, garlic, onion, capsicum, cream cheese, and some tomato sauce. We've got some beautiful Hungarian salami, and of course, you can't forget the mozzarella cheese. While I've got the water on the boil, I've taken this opportunity to get the onions and the capsicum diced up. I've got the onions and capsicum diced up. I'm just going to slice up some salami. I've gone with Hungarian salami in today's pasta bake. It's going to add a nice, rich flavour to the pasta. Now that the water's boiling, it's time to add the pasta. Now this pack we've got here is 750 grams, but we don't need to use the whole pack. We're only feeding a family of 4. We're only going to add about half a bag. It's going to take about 20 minutes to cook this pasta, but you want to keep stirring it every couple of minutes. While the pasta's boiling, I'm going to start on the sauce. And what I've noticed, I've got plenty of room on this Thetford for another pan. So grab some olive oil and add that to our pan. I'm going to add a teaspoon of crushed garlic. We're going to add some of our diced onion, mix all that through, and let that saute there for about a minute. So we've got the onion at the right colour. It's time to add the capsicum and the diced up salami. I'll give it a quick stir. We're going to let that simmer there for about a minute or so. It smells so good. And once again, guys, don't forget to keep stirring that pasta. Not long to go now. We're going to add our sauce. We're going to pour the whole contents in there. So our sauce is looking great. We're going to grab some cream cheese and we're going to put a generous scoop, let's say a very large tablespoon. And we're going to mix this through. And this cream cheese is going to really enhance this flavour. That's it, we've got our sauce. I'm going to turn off our Thetford stove. Now, I've already had the oven preheated to 180 degrees. So I've got the sauce begging to go on top of the pasta, so I better accommodate that. I'm going to test this pasta firstly. We want to make sure our pasta is al dente. Perfect. Time to strain the pasta and get our baking dish ready. We'll get the pasta into our baking dish. We're going to add the sauce to our pasta. Get all that in there and mix the sauce through the pasta as best as you can. We're going to layer some more Hungarian salami on top. The last part of the dish, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Don't be afraid to add as much mozzarella as you want. And ready for our oven. It's as simple as that. Now this should only take about 15 minutes or so, just enough till the mozzarella cheese is golden brown on top. Just going to check on the pasta bake, guys. Look at that, we're almost there. Our pasta bake is ready, guys. I'm going to turn off our Thetford. The pasta bake is exactly how I wanted it. Golden brown on top, nice and hot, ready to eat. And once again, my taste tester got us scot-free. Honey, dinner served.
Hi.
Take a seat, look what magically just appeared.
That looks delicious.
Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks.
Yum.
I might play it nice after that as well. I might just pull up right next to you. Oh, what do you reckon? And taste exactly how I wanted it.
That's fantastic.
Beautiful. If you want to see more of these simple, great recipes, jump onto gorv.com.au. See you next month.